Hello friends, a couple of days back, Dr. Ken Berry and Dr. Shawn Baker, the two pioneers of the mighty effective carnivore diet, did a highly detailed, an hour-long podcast about various aspects of the meat-only, carnivore way of life. It was no less than a pure blessing as both these mentors shared extremely useful knowledge, telling about the exceptional health and wellness benefits you would get on the carnivore diet, particularly by eating fatty red meat, including beef and lamb. Well, the carnivore diet sharply deviates from the traditional food pyramid we all grew up with. It challenges the conventional wisdom that a balanced diet should include a variety of foods from all food groups. Instead, proponents of the carnivore diet like Dr. Berry and Dr. Baker describe that by eating primarily meat, you can reap a host of health benefits which no other diet plan offers. And for the ease of our viewers, we have gone through the lengthy podcast bringing out the 5 key benefits of eating red meat, as described by the two great mentors. Plus, we have put in our own research, establishing the scientific connection between these health outcomes and the latest research study and findings on this matter. So, join us as we dig deep into the world of the carnivore diet, exploring the numerous health benefits that can be achieved from eating primarily fatty red meat. Meanwhile, as we move ahead, do press the subscribe button and become a proud member of our exclusive carnivore community, helping us spread the healing message further. Well, friends, throughout their discussion, both the carnivore gurus highly emphasized the importance of eating fatty red meat. They explained how fat is a crucial component of our diet, providing us with energy and supporting various bodily functions, resulting in the exceptional health benefits, which traditional medication fails to provide. Let's now cut into the first benefit of the carnivore diet and red meat, endorsed not only by Dr. Berry and Dr. Baker, but also from thousands of our viewers, the improvement of mental health. Mental health is not just about the absence of mental disorders, it's also about having a state of well-being where we can realize our abilities, cope with the normal stresses of life, and contribute to our community. And the good news is, carnivore diet does all this for us. The human brain, which has a very complex structure, requires some specific nutrients to function optimally. Among these nutrients are amino acids, fats, vitamins, and minerals that are abundantly found in red meat. Amino acids, for instance, are crucial for neurogenesis, the process of forming new neurons in the brain. This process is vital for maintaining brain health and cognitive function. Red meat is also a rich source of heme iron, a form of iron that is readily absorbed by the body. Iron is a key component in the synthesis of neurotransmitters, the brain chemicals that transmit signals between nerve cells. These neurotransmitters play a crucial role in memory formation and muscle control. Moreover, many aging people on the carnivore diet report a substantial reduction in brain fog. Brain fog is that frustrating state of mental confusion, where your thinking is disorganized and you struggle to focus, remember things, or make decisions. Additionally, improved memory and cognitive function are widely reported by those following the carnivore diet. The vital nutrients in red meat help nourish the brain, promoting better concentration, sharper recall, and enhanced problem-solving skills. All these benefits are not just theoretical. They are supported by authentic real-life experiences and observations. One of the viewers on our channel, who is 80 years old, told in a comment on a recent video that he feels great since he shifted to the carnivore diet a couple of years ago, with a massive boost in his memory and overall mental health. And we have just started. There is some more amazing stuff coming up for you in the video. The second benefit highlighted by Dr. Baker is how the carnivore diet leads to muscle health improvement. There is massive scientific evidence suggesting that a low-carb diet abundant in red meat provides a wealth of high-quality protein, which is the basic building block of our muscles. Protein is extremely crucial for our bodies as it plays a role in virtually every process. It assists in building and repairing tissues, making enzymes and hormones, and is essential for bone, muscle, cartilage, skin, and blood health. Now, when it comes to muscle health, the role of protein becomes even more significant. Dr. Ken Berry tells that the protein found in red meat is complete, meaning it contains all 9 essential amino acids that our bodies can't produce on their own. These amino acids are the key players in muscle building and repair. They help increase muscle mass and strength, and are critical for physical performance, recovery from injury, and overall metabolic health. When you're on a carnivore diet, you're not just eating any protein, you're eating high-quality protein from red meat. This type of protein is rich in leucine, an amino acid that triggers muscle protein synthesis. This process is like flipping a switch for your body to start building and repairing muscles. Moreover, red meat is an excellent source of creatine and carnosine, compounds that are important for muscle function. Creatine helps provide energy to your muscles, which can boost exercise performance. Carnosine, on the other hand, acts as a buffer against acid buildup in muscles during high-intensity exercise, delaying the onset of fatigue. T. Belensky, another viewer on our channel, wrote, "Got on carnivore at 62, lost 70 lbs, got off 17 of 19 meds, improved my muscular health a great deal. I returned to playing basketball and running, actually sprinting." By the way, what has been your experience on the carnivore diet so far? Do share in the comments. Moving ahead, another significant benefit of the carnivore diet is the reduction in inflammation. A carnivorous lifestyle, particularly one rich in fatty red meat, rapidly leads to a vast improvement in inflammation-related health issues. Now you might be wondering, how does this work? Well, let's break it down. Inflammation is the body's natural response to injury or infection. It's a crucial part of our immune system, but when it persists over time, it can lead to chronic inflammation, which is linked to a number of health problems, from heart disease to rheumatoid arthritis. Enter the carnivore diet. According to Dr. Baker, this diet, consisting solely of animal products, eliminates processed foods, sugars, and carbohydrates, which are known to trigger inflammation. By removing these inflammatory foods from your diet, you're giving your body the chance to heal and reduce inflammation naturally. Furthermore, fatty red meats are rich in omega-3 fatty acids, which are known for their anti-inflammatory properties. These fatty acids help reduce the levels of inflammation in your body, providing relief from chronic inflammatory conditions. Now, let's talk about a few experiences of our viewers in this regard. D. Wilson wrote in his comment, "I have been carnivore for a year and a half. I am 65, had type 2 diabetes and high blood pressure. Within a week, blood glucose went down to 90 to 100 range. Inflammation gone within a month. Lost 30 pounds in first month, energy up, mental acuity greatly improved, and was no longer hungry during the day." Furthermore, Dr. Ken Berry also told that many of his carnivore followers have seen dramatic decreases in inflammation markers after switching to this diet. But it's not just anecdotal evidence. Scientific studies have also shown a connection between a meat-based diet and reduced inflammation. A study published in the Journal of Clinical Endocrinology and Metabolism found that a low-carb, high-protein diet led to a substantial reduction in inflammation markers. So, whether you're dealing with chronic inflammation, or you simply want to give your body the best chance at maintaining optimal health, the carnivore diet is the game changer. And now we have the last two, but the most critical benefits of the all-meat carnivore diet. According to the experts, effective weight management is another crucial area where the carnivore diet shines big time. Let's dive into this a bit further. When we talk about weight management, we often link it with calorie counting, strenuous workouts, or deprivation diets. But the carnivore diet offers a different perspective. This diet, rich in fatty red meats, offers a satiating and satisfying approach to weight management. The carnivore diet, as explained by Dr. Berry and Dr. Baker, focuses on high-quality protein and fats, which are known to keep hunger at bay. This naturally leads to a decrease in overall calorie intake, without the feeling of deprivation or hunger that often accompanies other diets. You're eating until you're satisfied, but what you're eating is so nutrient-dense that you end up consuming fewer calories overall. Another crucial aspect is the role of insulin. Insulin is a hormone that regulates blood sugar levels and plays a significant role in fat storage. High-carbohydrate diets tend to spike insulin levels, leading to increased fat storage. On the other hand, a diet rich in protein and fats like the carnivore diet tends to stabilize insulin levels, thereby aiding in weight management. Additionally, the process of digesting protein, known as the thermic effect of food, uses up more energy than digesting carbohydrates or fats. This means that a high-protein diet can boost metabolism and increase the number of calories burned throughout the day. But it's not just about the numbers on the scale. It's about improving body composition, reducing fat mass, and increasing lean muscle. It's about feeling better, having more energy, and improving overall health. As explained by viewers on our channel and on other platforms, thousands of people on the carnivore diet have experienced this particular benefit on their wellness journeys. And before we move to the final and the incredible most health benefit, Do share your favorite carnivore recipe in the comments. Finally, let's discuss the improvement in heart health that can be achieved with the carnivore diet. It's a common misconception that red meat, particularly fatty beef, is detrimental to heart health. However, recent studies and the experiences of Dr. Ken Berry and Dr. Shawn Baker tell a different story. It's fascinating to note that fatty red meat, the base of the carnivore diet, can significantly enhance heart health markers. It's rich in omega-3 fatty acids, which are known to reduce inflammation and lower the risk of heart disease. Plus, it provides a good dose of coenzyme Q10, a nutrient that helps protect the heart. Additionally, the high levels of protein in red meat assist in the maintenance and repair of heart muscle tissue. Dr. Berry and Dr. Baker both strongly advocate for the incredible benefits the carnivore diet brings along for your heart health in particular. So friends, here we are. Do share your stories, thoughts, or any questions you may have in the comments section below. Your insights could be the guiding light for someone else's health and wellness journey. For more enlightening videos like this, do not forget to hit the subscribe button. If you found this video helpful, give it a thumbs up and share it with your loved ones. See you.